What did Sri Aurobindo write? Glimpses that might glue you. Although Sri Aurobindo's teachings are for universal application, what he wrote is not for the masses. But who knows? You may belong to the class for which he wrote. Why not try an easy way to the heart of his works? One easy way is to start with the videos in the playlist Glimpses of what Sri Aurobindo wrote. The glimpse might glue you. Secondly, the sequence matters. We would suggest start with the essays on the Gita and follow it up with a synthesis of yoga and the Renaissance in India. Then you might be ready for Savitri and finally for the life divine. If the history of the world interests you, you will strike gold by having a look at the human cycle and the ideal of human unity. The glimpses of all these works are available in 1-hour videos in the playlist Glimpses of what Sri Aurobindo wrote. What is 1 hour to get the glimpse of a book that may run into 1,000 pages? Want shorter videos? Turn to the playlist A Taste of Sri Aurobindo. A striking expression or a pregnant paragraph paraphrased for you in a short video. Reading Sri Aurobindo is a long journey. Even what he wrote in the 6 years from 1914 to 1920 is more than what an average person can read in a lifetime, leave alone understand, assimilate and practice. But every journey starts with just one step. For you, that step could be watching one of the videos here on the Yes Spirituality YouTube channel. For queries and comments, please drop an email to yes@yesspirituality.com. We would love to hear from you.